what you're seeing now is the screen of the IntegraVision Power Analyzer. This screen is the same as this one. We are connected through a LAN cable between the PC and the instrument. What you're actually looking at is a page that is via Internet Explorer. So you bring up Internet Explorer, you type in the address, the web address of the instrument, and this page appears. So it's very easy to set up and measure using the LAN and the web browser. So let me explain what you're looking at. This portion here is a live updating information of the waveforms, and this portion here is the power quality measurements. Now, if you look, you can see the dots are changing. This is updating data, but like with any oscilloscope, I could grab the time base knob and make changes in real time as far as the time base is concerned, or if I want to change the amplitude on one of the signals, I can do this as well. So from this standpoint, this portion of the screen behaves exactly the same way as an oscilloscope. Now, in this case, we're looking at 3 channels: the yellow channel, the green channel, and the blue channel. And these represent the 3 AC phases. So we have phase 1 in yellow. This is the voltage on phase 1. Yellow here is the current on phase 1. And then the yellow down here is the power on phase 1. Similarly, the green, voltage, current, power, and the blue, voltage, current, power. And you can see these sine waves are out of phase by 120 degrees, and that's the way you would expect a 3-phase power system to work. So when I look at this, I can very quickly say, yes, this looks correct. Now let me make measurements. The power quality panel here in blue gives the very accurate measurements of what's going on here. We can measure the voltage on the group, measure the current, measure the total power, look at watts and VA and VAR. Those are the 3 types of power: real power, apparent power, and reactive power, and also the frequency, which is 60 hertz in this simulated data. This is simulated data. I'm not actually connected to 3-phase power. It's part of a demonstration. Okay, so this is the basic screen. What I did want to show you was that wizard. So if I punch the wiring button here, what it brings up is the picture associated with the wiring of this setup. So here we are. These are the 3 phases, and it's set up as a 3-phase, what's called Y configuration, because it's shaped like a Y. And then it tells you for each of the channels exactly how to hook it up. Now, channel 4 is not connected to anything right now, so it doesn't matter how channel 4 is connected. But you can see it shows channel 1 how to measure the voltage, also how to measure the current on channel 1, similarly channel 2 and channel 3. When you connect them in this way, you will get the correct measurements. To verify that, I hit the phasor button, and up comes the phasor diagram. And this tells me, as you can see, at 0 degrees, channel 1, yes, those look correct. At 120 degrees, channel 2, there's the voltage and current for channel 2, or the second phase. And at another 120 degrees to 240, the voltage and current on that channel as well. So now I could look at this very rapidly and go, everything looks good. That means that the measurements I'm going to make here, that these measurements on the screen are correct, and I have good measurement quality for my AC signals.